So who do you call when you need tires changed on the moon? Us. The following footage is actual footage of a first road service ever done on the moon. Roots Truck Tire and Repair. We're the first to do it, baby. Yeah!
To call them. We ain't give them but a 3-hour ETA.
Call that number and tell them you need directions to the Sea of Tranquility on the lunar surface.
Oh my God.
No, we're being very serious, John. You got 3 hours, so you need to hurry up.
They got to do pre-emissions check on the rocket.
Y'all bullshit.
No, we're not.
They're gonna put you in a fucking NASA suit and send you to the moon to put a goddamn tire on the fucking rover, man.
Yeah. I'll call it. If it's just fucking bullshit, I will call y'all asses back and cuss y'all's asses out.
It's not, John. I'm telling you, call NASA, the number that was sent to you, and ask for Neil Armstrong. For real, call them.
Y'all bullshit.
No, man, you got 3 hours to get this done because they're like, it's, what do you call it, the high priority or whatever, prioritized?
It's top secret mission on the lunar surface.
It's on the lunar surface at the Sea of Tranquility. We got to hurry.
Ain't that Audrey?
For real, call him.
Okay.
And he'll tell you how to get there.
Okay.
You got to ask for Neil Armstrong.
I really got to ask that.
Yes, you got to say,
He's the driver of the lunar rover.
yeah, I'm calling to speak with Neil Armstrong about changing the tire on the lunar rover, the moon rover. All right.
Yep.
All right, hurry up, John. We're on the time schedule.
Time to get the jet fuel in, old girl. We gotta go to the Sea of Tranquility and fix us a flat on the moon rover.
Y'all try to call him in.
What?
So y'all try to call him in?
It's NASA.
Yeah, you want to hear what it says?
Yeah, what does it say?
Hold on. Thank you for calling the NASA Public Communications Office. For immediate inquiries and requests, please call the NASA newsroom at 202-358-1600. That's 202-358-1600. For all other inquiries, please leave a brief message regarding the nature of your call and include your name, telephone number, and email address. Please repeat your email address for accuracy. For up-to-date news, visit NASA's website at www.nasa.gov. That's www.nasa.gov. Your interest in NASA is greatly appreciated. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up.
Leave a message, John. Tell him this is John with Roots Truck Tire.
This is John from Roots Truck Tire Repair. It definitely fucking with you. Y'all really fucking with me. If you go change that tire, you'll bad. Y'all made me call that bitch, call that number for no fucking reason.
John, you done called NASA twice.
They need a tire, man. Y'all some assholes.
You know it.